Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some antique farmhouse kitchen decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Farmhouse kitchen decor typically features a blend of rustic, vintage and cozy elements. Here are some tips for topic. Natural materials, wood, stone, and metals like oak, iron, or copper are often used for countertops, cabinets, and accents. Farmhouse sink. A large upfront sink adds a rustic touch and practicality to the kitchen. Open shelving. Instead of traditional cabinets, open shelves made of wood or oak iron can display dishes, jars, and other kitchen essentials. Vintage appliances. Antique or vintage style appliances like stoves and refrigerators can enhance the farmhouse aesthetic. Neutral colors. White or off-white is often the base color, complemented by natural tones like beige, brown, or gray. Distress finishes. Furniture and cabinets with distress or weathered finishes add to the rustic charm. Farmhouse table. A large, sturdy wooden tables serve as the centerpiece of the kitchen, often doubling as a dining area. Farmhouse decor accents. Decorate with items like mason jars, galvanized metal buckets, vintage signs, and oven baskets to enhance the farmhouse theme. Textiles. Add warmth with checked or striped curtains, vintage style rugs, and fabric. Accent the table rounders or chair cushions. Natural light. Maximize natural light with large windows and keep window treatments simple to let in much light as possible. Reclaimed wood. Incorporate reclaimed wood elements such as barn doors, ceiling beams, or floating shelves to add character and authenticity to the space. Antique accents. Hunt for antique or vintage pieces like a farmhouse style clock, enamel or old-fashioned scales to add a nostalgic touch. Mix and match. Don't be afraid to mix different materials and textures, such as combining wood with metal accents or incorporating both smooth and raw surfaces for visual interest. Fresh flowers and greenery. Bring the outdoors in with fresh flowers from the garden or potted herbs on the windowsill. They add a pop of color and a sense of life to the space. Statement lighting. Install statement light fixtures such as the oak iron candelier or vintage pendant lights to illuminate the space and add a focal point. Functional decor. Choose decor items that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also serve a purpose, such as a decorative ceramic pitcher used to hold utensils or a vintage bread box for storing baked goods. Create a cozy sitting area with mismatched chairs or a built-in bench with plumped cushions, inviting family and guests to linger in the kitchen. Thank you so much for watching this video.